Today's lesson is negative and positive integers on a number line. So you might ask why you guys have to learn positive and negative integers. Some examples could be when you let your friends borrow money, temperature, hot, cold, and etc.
So when we are labeling a number line, the first step we need to do is always label our zero. It doesn't have to be in the middle, but I'm going to always kind of pick which point is my zero and label it.
So the second step is to start to the right of the zero with a positive one.
We don't need the positive sign in front of the positive numbers. They are already positive. And so we're going to go to the very end of this number line, which ends at 6 and continues on going.
The third step is to start to the left of the zero, and we are going to use a different color and also the negative sign.
So this is going to be 1, but it's going to be -1, and then we're going to do a -2, and then we're going to do a -3, and finally this number line ends with -4. The numbers get smaller. The funny thing with negative numbers is they get smaller as they go more to the left. So in this direction, the numbers are getting smaller. However, in the opposite direction, when we're going to the right, the numbers are getting larger or greater. So now we're going to try the same thing with the vertical number line. So
we go back to step number 1 is always labeling our zero, and again, it doesn't have to be in the middle.
So I label my zero. I chose to do it a different place this time. Then I'm going to, this time it's not going to be to the right, but instead it's going to be to the top. So I'm going to label 0 and I'm going to go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and when I'm going up, my numbers are getting greater or larger when I'm going up.
Greater. So our third step is to, again, start, but this time is not left, it's below, down, with 1, -1, and you continue.
-2, -3, -4, -5, -6. And you can see, again, the numbers that are going this way, -6 is a smaller number than -1. So this is how you can construct a number line with positive and negative integers. A positive integer being something like 1 and a negative integer being something like -1. Now it's going to be your turn to create this same video. Ready?
Go.